Millions of people worldwide suffer from poor circulation and various sport injuries. Well, one Israeli medical startup is developing a new electrocompression stocking that drastically improves blood circulation for athletes and people suffering from diseases like lymphedema. Joining me today in the studio is Omer Zelka, founder and CEO of ElastiMed. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so I'm excited to hear about this. Who exactly needs this compression stocking?
Well, as we grow older, one of the first systems that starts malfunctioning in our body is the circulation in our legs. When we're standing up, the heart needs to pull the blood through the veins, a distance of about 1.5 meters, that's about 5 feet. Now, the older we get, the poor diet we have, the less exercise we're doing, or just poor genetics, makes it harder and harder for the heart to pull the blood properly from the legs.
Right.
Now, this can cause various types of different conditions. It can cause cosmetic conditions, such as varicose vein or cellulites. It can cause quality of life conditions, such as sports injuries, lymphedema, edema, swollen legs, for example, for pregnant women. And it can cause chronic wounds. And it also can cause life-threatening conditions, such as DVT, which is when a blood clot is created in the legs, can lead to a pulmonary embolism or a stroke.
So tell us a little bit about this stocking that you've created to kind of combat these issues.
Well, the body naturally has a mechanism to compensate for this issue. And when we go jogging, the calf muscle contracts,
Right.
and it's squeezing the veins in the legs, pushing the blood upwards. We're actually mimicking the same action. We're using a wearable device. It's battery operated. It's based on smart material technology, and it actually massages the legs throughout the day, mimicking the contraction of the calf muscle. So we're actually helping the body function as it naturally should.
Now, can you wear this at all times while you're playing sports, if you're just sitting in the office?
It's, like I said, it's battery operated. It's completely mobile. Doesn't disturb the patient's daily routine. You can wear it underneath your pants and continue throughout your day and get a very good clinical treatment while you're doing it.
So how did you come up with this idea?
Well, personally, I'm a tech junkie. So for me, it started with the technology. We started from the smart material technology. And we were looking for the right application for this technology. And improving circulation seemed like a very good fit at the time. Once we started investigating the field and we talked to doctors, but especially patients, and we understood how much patients are suffering from current available treatment options, and that's when our passion shifted from the technology to the patients and helping patients live a healthier and a more comfortable life.
So I understand that you're going to begin clinical trials.
Exactly. In about 4 months, we're starting clinical trials, and we're aiming to bring the product to the market mid-2018.
Beautiful. Well, it seems like you guys have created something that is really going to help so many different people. And I wish you the best of luck in these clinical trials. We'll just have to wait and see what happens.
Thank you very much.